lost over 200 pounds and I was in the mood for apple pie. So I whipped me up an apple pie mug cake. It's low in sugar and low in calories. Let me show you how I make it. I'm gonna spray my little bowl with some nonstick cooking spray, whatever kind you want. I'm gonna measure out 1 serving of this keto pancake mix. I get this from Thrive Market. I make so many desserts out of this. I love it. 140 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 7 grams net carbs. You can't go wrong, especially if you're craving like cake or something like that. So 1 serving of this. Now that I got that, I'm gonna use some 0 calorie, 0 sugar flavored skinny syrup. Sour apple would work too if you have that. And if you don't have it, that's okay. Don't use it. Just use some protein shake or water. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit of a salted caramel protein shake in there, just a little bitty bit. If you don't wanna use anything but water or milk, you do that. Whatever you prefer. Just feel like it gives it a different flavor if you do. You're just gonna get a pancake batter consistency or a little thicker, whatever you prefer. Just a nice cake batter consistency. How about that? Now we're gonna pop it in Chef Mike. Guys, this is my new microwave. I need you to see this. Ma'am, thank you. Sorry, been cooking, ignore that. Let's do like a minute. Now we gotta jazz her up, okay? We ain't just eating it like this. You could if you wanted to, but where's the fun in that? No, we gotta jazz her up, okay? I got these little miniature apples. They're called rocket apples. Teeny tiny little things. So let's put like half of one of those on top of this. I want extra crunchy crunch, so I'm gonna use some keto granola. I get all of my keto granola from Thrive Market. They have tons of different options and flavors. This is one of my favorites. It's the banana nut one. That's gonna be just about right. Yep, perfect. Just enough little crunchy crunch on there. Some 0 calorie, 0 sugar. We're gonna do some salted caramel skinny sauce on top, obviously. Ooh, if we had some cinnamon, I'm telling you right now, it'd be all over. Maybe a little more. You know we ain't done yet. No ma'am, we're not done yet. Pecan pie whipped topping. Just to make her extra Gorgina, and 1 for good measure always. All right, taste test. Ooh, honey, she's steaming. We gotta get everything in the bite. Cheers. If your food does not make you do a little dance, honey, you're doing it all wrong. And this is also right. Go make it.